Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix slow Wi-Fi on Mac Mini M1, M2 and M4 the speed up internet.
Fix 1. Restart Wi-Fi in Mac Mini. Step 1. Click Wi-Fi icon, turn Wi-Fi off. Step 2. Restart your Mac Mini. Step 3. Turn Wi-Fi on again. Fix 2. Restart router. Step 1. Power off your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Step 3. Power it back on. Fix 3. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Go to System Settings, Wi-Fi. Step 2. Click Details next to your Wi-Fi. Step 3. Select Forget this network. Step 4. Reconnect and enter password. Fix 4. Disable Bluetooth. Step 1. Open System Settings, Bluetooth. Step 2. Turn Bluetooth off. Step 3. Test Wi-Fi speed.